Did you know that tofu is one of the best sources of plant-based protein? If you're looking for a tasty snack that's both satisfying and nutritious, try making crispy baked tofu bites. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a crunchy, flavorful treat that's perfect for any time of day. Start with firm or extra firm tofu. Drain it and press it to remove excess moisture. This step is crucial for achieving that delightful crunch. Cut the tofu into bite-sized cubes and toss them in a mixture of olive oil, soy sauce, garlic powder, and your favorite spices. For an extra kick, try paprika for a smoky flavor or nutritional yeast for a cheesy twist. Bake at 400 degrees C for about 25-30 minutes until golden and crispy, flipping halfway through for even cooking. Imagine a snack that not only satisfies your cravings, but is also packed with protein and promotes muscle health. These tofu bites are perfect for game day, as a salad topping, or even as a standalone snack. Would you try this? Let us know how it turns out, or share your favorite ways to use tofu in the kitchen. Your taste buds will thank you for this delightful upgrade to snacking, and you might just find a new favorite recipe.